Hi, I'm Jingrui Yang, JY2823, and this is the first video about question 7 in homeworks 3. So for this question, we've been given a LTI system with poles 0, 2 zeros, and a double pole. So we can know that as the zeros are z equals 1 over 3 and z equals 3, so we can get this equation. Hz equals a constant multiply the zeros, and as this is a double pole with z equals 0, so the pole here, the denominator should be z to power 2. We've known that the DC gain is 1 for the first question. Here's the definition of DC response. It is a response to the constant input xn equals 1 for all n. So here we make the z equals 1 and make this equation equals 1 because the DC gain is 1. So we get the k equals minus 3 over 4, and we can finally get the Hz, which is what we've been asked. And for the question B, we've known that we have to find out the impulse response of the stable inverse system. So first of all, we write down the inverse system GZ, which is because HZ is like this, so GZ will do the inverse. So we get minus 4 over 3 multiply z h power 2 minus the minus 1 over 3 multiply z minus 3. And then we divide the equation by z and got this equation, and we can transfer this question to a inverse transformation question and got c1 over z minus 1 over 3 plus c2 over z minus 3. And after that, we can get C1 and C2. For C1, we just remember to move this minus 4 over 3 down to here and multiply z minus z over z minus 3. So this part, z over z minus 3, and make z equals 1 over 3. So the C1 is 1 over 6. And for the same thing, we can get that C2 equals minus 3 over 2. And with the C1 and C2, we can get the GZ, which equals 1 over 6 multiply z over z minus 1 over 3 minus 3 over 2 multiply z over z minus 3. And then as we've been given that this is a stable inverse system GZ, so in order to be stable, the ROC should be, here you can see the 1 over 3 and 3 to make it stable. So the module z should be larger than 1 over 3 and smaller than 3. So here's the ROC. With the ROC, we can finally get the impulse response, because as module z is larger than 1 over 3, so here is un, and as module z is smaller than 3, so here is u of minus n minus 1. So this is the final answer.